So now that we got all the tomatoes and chilies and onions and garlic all toasted and roasted, we're gonna go ahead and blend it right here. Add some water, add some seasoning, taste it, and then we're gonna simmer it right here in the Lodge cast iron Dutch oven. When those ribs come off the kettle, we're gonna incorporate them right here, and we're gonna let it just sit there and cook, take its time. We're not gonna rush it. We're just gonna let it do its thing. And when we're done, we're gonna have some very succulent Mexican style costillas and salsa roja, or ribs in a red sauce. Ribs with red salsa. Man, pocho as hell. But hey, we're gonna get it done right here. I always just use this cap about halfway. That'll be my measuring cup. Some SPG. I'll hit it with that. I'll hit it with one more. Okay. And that will be my base. We'll get this incorporated in that, and we'll see how we're tasting. And now, not so hard to clean. You can actually add water in this with soap and just blend it. It'll help you clean it out real easy. Right there, the salt level is perfect. The garlic, everything. Oh my God, that was nailed. I nailed it right there. That's incredible. I usually have to add some more stuff, but you know what? The chile level, the spiciness to it, it's very mild. But you know what? That's gonna be good enough so the kids can eat. So, man, can't wait till this to simmer up and get some of the water to evaporate and, you know, get even better. All right, we've been at it for 2 hours, and I'm not looking for a particular doneness on these ribs. I just wanted 2 hours of some type of smoke, some type of charcoal flavor, just to get these going, and then finish it up in the salsa. So let's just see what they look like. Whoa, look at that poo back already. Holy crap. All right, guys, keep in mind, this is just SPG. And these been on here 2 hours. Man, look at that. That looks pretty damn good. All right, I'm gonna take these off and we're gonna get these into that salsa. Hell yeah. All right, we got the ribs over here. We got the rib tips over here. Let's see what these rib tips look like. Damn. Holy shit. Oops. You know, it'd be easier if I had a tripod, huh? Like the one that's way outside. It's all right. We'll get this done. Look at these rib tips. Oh, man. All right, here's the last of the bit. And you know what? I can't help myself. Let me get a little bit. Let me try this. Oh man. You know what, guys? This is gonna be epic. That's good. It's not even done yet. Wow. All right, guys. Well, I got the ribs into the salsa. We're gonna let this simmer. We're gonna let this evaporate a little bit. And you know what? It's 3:30 right now. These should be ready around 5:30. We'll see how that goes. I'll check them in an hour, and I'll see if I have no more patience to wait another hour after that. So catch you guys in a little bit. Yeah. All right, guys. These ribs have been in the salsa for the past 2.5 hours. And I'm going to show you what you're looking for when you do something like this. So, as you can see, the meat has disintegrated to the point to where it's all distributed throughout the salsa. So no matter what, you're going to get a very meaty experience. And it's, man, it's just delicious, straight up. All right, I'm ready to go into this with a tortilla just to taste and test. Look at that. All right, let's see. Salsa is on point. It's not too spicy. It's just enough to know that we got some good chiles in there. It's flavorful. It's delicious. Now, I'm just gonna have to go straight. Go straight for it. There you have it, guys. Costillas and salsa roja. Ribs and red salsa. That's how you do it. And this is a Mexican / American take on this dish right here. Smoked for 2 hours and then just simmered 2.5 hours in the salsa roja until you come up with something like this. And then eat these with some tortillas, and man, it's gonna be good. Love, you hungry?
Yes.
All right, guys, If you like what you saw, hit that like. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next videos. Yeah.